Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about what exactly is glacier outburst flood and why does it occur. So there are a lot of contention whether the outburst which recently happened in Uttarakhand was because of climate change, was because of some human activities or natural causes, even though there are itself the complication related to whether it was because of the avalanche or the glacial outburst happened or not. The idea for this video is along the line that you understand what is exactly a glacial outburst flood is and why does it occur if it has occurred even in the case of Uttarakhand too. So let's start this video. So parts of Uttarakhand recently witnessed massive flooding after a chunk of Nanda Devi glacier broke off at the Joshimath in Uttarakhand Chamoli district. So what exactly has happened over here? You might have already seen the videos. They were available on Twitter and all. The part of the glacier broke off in from the Nanda Devi glacier. What has been witnessed after that was that it destroyed hydroelectric projects which are present over there, and also the Rishi Ganga river was set up on an alert because the water level would increase in this particular river, and there was a speculation that if this keep on increasing there could be increase in the water level even in the Alaknanda river. So what you have to do from your preparation perspective is that you go ahead and look into the location of the Rishiganga river, Alaknanda river, and the finally the confluences point. So we have five confluences point along the river Ganga with the Dev Prayag, Rudraprayag, all these things. You go ahead and check it out. So that is something you need to consider. This particular occasion, these particular videos actually bring back the haunting memories of 2013 Kedarnath calamity. What happened in Kedarnath was the cloudburst. Just remember, at that time it was the cloudburst, and it caused the large scale havoc in the region, and that was major disaster, major natural disaster at that time. So just remember, what we have to focus in this particular video is that you go ahead and check out what cloudburst is, what that phenomena is associated with. We will not delve into that in the scope of this video. In this video, we will discuss more about what happened recently, if that happened, but what is glacial outburst flood breakoff. So what is that? We will discuss in the upcoming slide. So what exactly is glacial lake outburst flood? So it is an outburst that happens when a dam containing a glacial lake fails. So basically there is a dam which keeps on holding water, right? That's the functionality of dam. There is a dam. It has a reservoir which has the water stored in it. What happened? This outburst happened when the dam itself has a glacial lake in it. Glacial lake means that the lake which is frozen, it's like made up of glacier. Glacial lake outburst flood have three main features. They involve sudden and releases of water. Basically, there will be gush of water which will be coming out very suddenly. They tend to be rapid events lasting hours to days. So basically, it is not a long lasting event, but it's something which will happen within minutes and hours. They result in large downstream river discharges, which often increase by an order of magnitude. So basically, that is why the high alert was issued for the Rishi Ganga and even the Alaknanda, because this kind of thing, the sudden release of water, could increase the water level in the downstream. So these are the three components. It is sudden, it is generally associated with the increase in the water level in the downstreams, and also these are very rapid events. What causes them? Let's just also see what is the reason why the glacier will break. So first of all, erosion. So the major deforestation, mining activities all leads to the problem of erosion. A build-up of water pressure, there is a possibility that the dam itself, the water itself was developing pressure over it, which has finally caused the glacier to break off. The avalanche of snow or rock, so basically not only in the glacier, but avalanche from the mountain itself is the one which pushed for the break off. An earthquake under the ice, like there is a tremors which has been felt under earth, or a massive displacement of water in the glacial lake when large portion of the adjacent glacier collapses into it. So these are the major reason why the glacier could break off. It could be because of earthquake, it could be because of the major displacement of water itself, it could be because of the avalanche which has come through erosion, it could be because of the water pressure buildup. So all these things need to taken into consideration when we are talking about the glacial lake outburst flood, or what is known as GLOF. So these are the things that you need to remember from this video. You don't have to really delve deep into it. As of now, there is no concrete evidence what exactly happened. There are experts which said that because of the climate change this happened, or there are association that it is not even the glacial lake outburst flood which has caused, but the dam failure itself. So these are the things which need to be considered. But as of now, you just remember, as a geographical phenomena, just remember that the glacial lake outburst flood happens when the dam has a glacial lake in it, and we just saw why it could break off. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.